Look at this sentence. You blank do it. If we put one small word in that space, the entire meaning changes. Put in should, it becomes advice. Put in must, it becomes a strict rule. Put in can, and it becomes about ability. These small but powerful words are called modal verbs. Here is your first rule for today. We use should when we give advice, telling someone what is a good idea. We use must for a strong rule or necessity. And we use can to talk about ability or permission. Now, whenever you use a modal verb, there is a very strict grammar rule that follows. Rule number 2, always use the modal plus the base verb. A base verb is the simplest form of the action word. That means no extra letters at the end. We drop the s, drop the ed, and drop the ing. To master these modals, you need to remember both parts, the logical meaning of the word and the strict two-word pairing of the modal and the base verb. Let's look at some examples of this rule in action. You should check your answer. The modal is should, and the base verb is check. The meaning here is simple. This is a good idea. It is advice. Next, look at this one. You must write in full sentences. The modal is must, paired with the base verb write. This means the action is necessary. It is a strict rule. Finally, we have I can explain the answer. We pair can with explain to show that the person is able to do the action. It shows ability. Now look closely at this sentence. She must write neatly. When English learners see the pronoun she, they naturally want to add an s to the verb. But with modals, this is incorrect. To fix it, we follow our rule. Drop the s. The correct sentence is, she must write neatly. Modal plus base verb. The base verb rule overrides normal pronoun rules. No matter who is doing the action, he, she, or it, the verb following the modal never changes. Remembering this will keep your score high on written exams. Let's practice. Look at these 3 sentences on the screen and choose the correct modal verb for each blank. Pause the video right now. Use the information in each sentence to pick your answers, and press play when you are ready. For number 1, the answer is must. The sentence says, it is required. Because this is a necessity, we use the modal for a strong rule. For number 2, the answer is can, because we are talking about an ability. For number 3, the answer is should. Revising before an exam is a very good idea, so we use the modal for advice. Answering these correctly depends on 2 things: identifying the intended meaning of the sentence first, then automatically applying the base verb rule. Remember the rule, modal plus base verb. Use should for advice, must for a rule, can for ability. Screenshot this to study later. Save this rule. Subscribe for Cambridge English in 5 minutes. Mastering this single structural rule prevents the most common point deductions in Cambridge English Foundation exams. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.